gentlemen, so today's video falls under the category of brace yourself because things are about to get freaky. In all seriousness, guys, today I want to go over a few things to help you, help her, help you, help her. Go drop me one of these and be like, yo, Alpha, I'm not sure what you're talking about. I'm just not sure. I'll see you tomorrow. But for the rest of you who aren't afraid of a little constructive feedback and help in certain areas of your relationship, today you're definitely going to dig it because I'm going to go over a few things that she definitely wants you to do to her. So the first thing she wants you to do, gentlemen, is give her permission to be naughty. Like, yo, I don't need to give her permission. You got permission. Be naughty. I don't care. Be as naughty as you want to. I would love it, right? You're thinking that. But she's thinking, I don't want to let my freak flag fly if Brian's going to be a little bit weird and not necessarily ready for the action I'm about to drop on him. And so how are you going to do it? How are you going to encourage her to let it out? The answer is ask her what her fantasy is. I don't know. She knows. You got to make it okay and safe for them to actually do it. And do not pass judgment. If they tell you something like weird, don't be like, what you want to do, huh? 6 dudes! Got to encourage her. You got to say, no, seriously, like, I'm like wondering, like, and then maybe tell her what yours are. And this is a great way to get the conversation started and the freakiness flowing, which brings us to number 2, which is take control, gentlemen, and make it happen, as opposed to being like, would you mind if I kissed and nibbled on your neck, gentlemen? No, nibble on the neck, take control. A woman doesn't want to be with a puss. She wants to be with a dude who is a dude who's like, yo, mama, this is what I want. This is how I'm going to make it happen. You're the one. Let's do this now. One of the least sexy things a dude can do is be like, oh, I'm not sure, maybe, and be all wishy-washy with the action. Gentlemen, you got to take control. Carpe, senorita. Loosely translated into seize the senorita, which is actually number 3, gentlemen, which is ravage her body. Ravage, which means possibly being a little more aggressive. I'm not talking about like really like, not like aggressive bad, aggressive good. Ravaging is an uncontrolled animalistic desire. Right, so let me give you an example. Say you were on a deserted island, right? Like, I'm talking like Tom Hanks Castaway action, right? There's nothing around. You're starving. There are palm trees and sand. You're like, yo, I'm starving. What am I gonna do? And then all of a sudden, you see a fresh pizza. Pizza? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do to that pizza? Exactly. You're gonna ravage the out of it. Pizza is the perfect analogy because I could always eat pizza, and even bad pizza is still pretty good pizza, if you know what I mean. But if you're somebody that's not really in the mood for pizza, or you're like, maybe I'll eat tomorrow, I'm not really hungry now, you could be suffering from some form of erectile dysfunction. A lot of us will suffer from, I'm not really in the mood from pizza, at some point in our life. But the great news is that Roman is today's video sponsor and they can help you take care of your ED. Talking about erectile dysfunction isn't easy, right? Normally we just brush it off and like, not tonight, honey, maybe tomorrow. I'm not really feeling it. We think like, oh, I just kind of lost my mojo, maybe I'm tired. But with Roman, it's easy to talk about with a healthcare professional that can prescribe real medication. It's simple, safe, and totally discreet. With Roman, you can get a free online evaluation and ongoing care for your ED, all from the comfort and privacy of your home. The healthcare professional will work with you to find the best treatment plan, and if medication is appropriate, Roman will ship it to you with free 2-day shipping. The whole process is simple, straightforward, and discreet. And getting started, gentlemen, is super simple. All you gotta do is go to GetRoman.com/alpha and complete an online visit. Erectile dysfunction used to be tough to tackle, but now there's Roman. Complete an online visit today and connect with a healthcare professional and take care of it. Guys, now is the time. Do not wait. You deserve to have a happy, healthy sex life, and so does your partner. Guys, hit that link down below. GetRoman.com/alpha. If you go through our link, you're going to get $15 off your first order of ED treatment, a free online visit, and free 2-day shipping. That's GetRoman.com/alpha for $15 off your first order of ED treatment, a free online visit, plus free 2-day shipping. The fourth thing she wants you to do, gentlemen, is take it public. Take it public. Whether or not it's a little kiss, a little make-out action in an elevator behind a tree, right, when you're going to the bathroom at a friend's party. Gentlemen, it is all about little public action. Why is public action so sexy, so naughty? Because you could potentially get caught. There's just something incredibly sexy and naughty and like a little bit like dangerous because you might get caught. Somebody might be at the door and be like, excuse me, are you going to be in there? And you're both like, oh my gosh, they're going to see us both. They come out and we're going to, like, if you know, you know. It's fun. It's exciting. And something once in a while to definitely give a try. It's going to elevate everything everything and be a little naughty and help her unleash the freakiness that you are fond of. Number 5 is slow it down. Slow. And what am I talking about slow? I'm talking about undressing her super sexy, sassy ass. Gentlemen, that's what I'm talking about. It's all about slowing down. Nice and slow, gentlemen. Now, as dudes, this is a problem that we often have because we are so excited to finally get a little bit of action that we're like, yo, let's get you out of those clothes as fast as possible. When the truth is, if you just slow it down a little bit, don't be such an eager beaver. Foreplay. Say it with, actually, don't say it because your mom might be listening. In your mind, say it with me. Foreplay, right? That is the act of playing before you actually do your thing, gentlemen. It is all about slowing down. Being sexy, right? Touching, slowly, caressing, kissing. Speaking of kissing, this actually brings us to number 6, which is keep doing it. Don't stop, right? Just because something is doing its thing, right? Don't forget about the mouth action, gentlemen. It's all about engaging. It's all about connecting. Now, the truth is that some spicy senoritas probably don't like that. Some dudes might not like that, but if she likes it and you don't, it doesn't matter. Do it. Speaking of doing it, gentlemen, the 7th thing that you better be doing, hopefully, for her, if not, she's probably going to be like, damn, she's telling all her friends, yo, Brian doesn't do it, right? And that is go, yeah, what? Exactly. The unfortunate reality is that the majority of women do not reach, no, yes, mama, please. I'm just like that alone, and it's all about like anatomy, right? Because they got that little thingy thing, and most positions that we as dudes do not necessarily stimulate the little thingy thing, right? And so one of the rules of thumbs that I follow is take care of that first, and then you can do your thing. Regardless of how fast it is, it's always satisfactory to her. One of the other downsides to watching the movies that you're watching, not me, you, right, exactly. Anyway, that is beside the point. The point I am trying to make is that one of the downsides to watching the movies is they leave that part of the equation out oftentimes, or if they do it, it's like literally like 2 seconds and then it's the other action, right? And I'm here to tell you the chances are that 2 seconds is not getting it done for old spicy senorita pants. It may, and if that's the case, you better hang on to her with your kung fu action grip because she's awesome. Speaking of awesome, that is going to bring us to number 8, which is let her know how awesome she is. It's all about letting her know, yo, mama, you're amazing. That's incredible. That was the best, or whatever you gotta say, or whoa, you just boom. I'm talking boom, right? And she's gonna be like, oh, really? The more you encourage, the more you let her know, like, yo, you just absolutely rocked my world. She's gonna be like, yo, I just rocked his world. Then she's gonna be on the phone. Oh my God, Brenda, I just totally rocked his world. I just had the most amazing. And Brenda's gonna be like, yo, have you tried that whole like butt thing? And what? Cycle, gentlemen, a cycle of freakiness that I hope to have helped you with. Gentlemen, if you thought this video was totally weird but oddly like satisfyingly helpful, why don't you drop me one of these to be like, yo, Alpha, thanks for hooking the spicy senoritas up.